How do you build your email list, or what is email list building in the first place? In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly what email list building is and why you should be doing it in your business. At the end of the video, we're actually going to be including some real life examples of how we have taken our own company to build our email list.
There are so many things I can't control, but the things that I can. The Dick Polipnick Show.
So let's dive right into it. So what is an email list in the first place? An email list is a piece of property per se, a list of names and emails that either a business, a brand, a personality, a single individual owns. Now, they don't own the email. They don't own people's names. But what they do own is the rights to market to those people. They own the rights to solicit to those people, because those people, the people whose emails they have given access to the owner of the email list, they've given them the rights to solicit. So that way the person who's doing the email, whether it's an email marketing campaign, a social media advertising company, or you're an online store or a restaurant that's promoting a new giveaway that you're doing, or a karaoke night, or whatever it is that you're promoting throughout your email, trying to spread the word about, get more eyeballs on, get more sales, you have the legal right to market to those people. They have given you permission. So that is what an email list is. It's a list of people that have given you permission to market to them. So how do you build an email list? An email list can be built in a million different ways. I mean, there's all kinds of different strategies, and some work better for other industries. Some you don't need to spend any money on. Some you need to spend money on, or you're not going to get any emails to sign up. Some you need to give a giveaway. Some they just want to know more about you, want to know more about your company. So how do you build that email list is really specific to your company, your industry, your business, your market, your target customers. With such a broad spectrum and with such a broad piece of advice that I'm giving you, how can you build your email list? Well, the first step I would do is if you don't know yourself, if you're watching this video, what you should be doing is contacting a media company and marketing agency and saying, hey, can you give me a free consultation of how I can build my email list? You can watch videos like this on YouTube. You can get a report from a marketing agency. I'm sure they're going to want to have you pay them to do the services, but absolutely they should be giving you free advice on how to do that, whether you hire them or not. So like Online Growth Systems, what we do is if a business comes to us and says, hey, I've got an email list of 10,000 people. I really got to up my game. I want to get it to 50,000 by the end of the year. How can I do that? What we'll do is we'll create a strategy plan for them. We'll say, hey, here's what you can do. Here's exactly the text you should use, the photos you should use. Here's the group of people you should be marketing. And this is what you should say in your actual email campaigns to help spread the word. And then at the end, of course, we'll say, hey, we'd love to do this for you. Here's a quote for what we would charge. And here's our estimated sales, our estimated what it would be worth to you, whether that's how many more customers, how many people buying a steak at your steakhouse, or how many people signing up for an appointment at your dentistry, whatever your business is. So that's how you build an email list. There's different ways. You could do it through Facebook marketing. You could do it through SEO. But the number one way is using landing pages. Now, we've done an entire video. We'll do some B-roll here of the video we did on what landing pages are, how they work, and how you can use them to grow your business, aka grow your email list, which is in turn going to generate you more sales. So we'll put a link in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook. But so using landing pages is going to be a huge key part in growing your email list. And the reason you should have an email list is pretty obvious. It's pretty much free marketing. You don't have to pay to reach these people. These are people who, number one, are already interested in your business, already interested in your products or services. They are aware who you are, so you don't have to do brand awareness. They know who you are. They know your logo. They know what you do, and they want your products or services. So in terms of leads, they're already a warm or hot lead. They're already 90% of the way through the sales process, and all you have to do is send out a certain email campaign, send out an email to the 10,000 people, and you're hoping to get closing some sales, and that's called a conversion rate. So like back in like 2001, 2000, conversion rates for emails were through the roof. First of all, open rates, which is how many people receive the email, open it, and read it, were like 90% back in the early 2000s, and the close rate was like 50% per email campaign. It was absolutely crazy. Nowadays, those numbers have gone drastically down because people's inboxes are being flooded by spam. Their cousins are emailing them. There's a million other businesses that are trying to get their attention. So what you have to do is you have to be really strategic about how you do your email marketing. So right now in this video, we're just talking about email lists and how to build that list. But we actually did another video of how to do email marketing campaigns and what they are. You can watch that. Another description or a link in the description below. So I hope this answered your question as to what is an email list, why you should have it in your business, and we even provided some examples for you. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to.